So these are just really direct quotes taken from customer interviews with past people from the B2B incubator. I didn't ask them to come prepared with these testimonials. We just conduct customer interviews after every single person who goes through the program. And this is just what they said. Yeah. So we've just pulled out some really direct quotes there about some of the key features and benefits.
Yeah.
And a few different variations here.
So yeah, the testimonials I think are always good to have because it's almost expected, but then if you don't have it, then like they notice. And having, especially like if it is a program with students where there is like a result attached on the other side, then having these testimonials, the social proof of saying, hey, other people have purchased this and they did achieve the result that they were looking for, it's an extra affirmation. And again, one of my biggest like theories around retargeting is that it's not just enough to stay in front of them. The biggest objection we're trying to overcome is trust and credibility. So yeah, these testimonial types of ads, they lend to that, and they're definitely a good part of the mix to have in there.
Awesome.